Hi, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to get started with LaTeX. So we're going to go to this website that I have posted at the top of the screen, and once you're there you want to save this style file. So when you're working with tech documents, you've got a file that's going to contain all your mathematical notation and the words and sentences that you're trying to write in your document. And then you're also going to have a style file, and that's going to set the margins, it's going to set header styles and all the sort of features you want for your particular document. And if you're writing an article for a journal, they might have a particular style file that follows that journal's formatting specifications. Anyways, I'm going to right-click this and save this to a folder, and I'm going to save it in my documents area. I'm going to make a new folder. Call it Practice with Tech. Okay, so I'm going to save this style folder, this style file in here. And then I'm also going to go over to this other web page, and I'm going to find a document here that is a little example for us to work with called Sample 2E. And I'm going to save this as the same folder. And I'm just going to put the extension TEX on the end of that. Okay, so now let's go to that folder that we just made. And I'm going to open this LaTeX document. Now I already have Technic Center installed on my computer. And so the way I have it set up on my screen here, I kind of have two different windows that I'm looking at. And in the top one here, you can see lots of lines that are commented out. Then there's a document class. You know, some of this might not make a lot of sense the first time you encounter a LaTeX document, but over time, these will be things that you tweak and edit depending on what you want to do. But we'll just kind of peruse through here. We see there's some text here. Okay, blah, 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 and then end document. All right, so there's something here. What we want to do is we want to build this and make a really nice PDF sort of output. So I'm going to go under the Build menu, Current File, and I'm going to build it. And there is a shortcut. If you do this a lot, you can just hit Control F7. And then once that's done, we want to view our output. And again, there's a keyboard shortcut for that as well. And now we have this beautiful PDF document. It's formatted really nicely with, you know, numbered headers and subsections and all sorts of things. And what we can do is we can kind of see like, oh, this was really big, this one space simple text. You know, how did we code that up in LaTeX? So let's go back to the LaTeX document. Oh, there it is. It's a section. So if I wanted to just play around and make another section, for example, my new simple text, you know, you could go through, rebuild that file because I just made a change to it, and then view the output, and now I can see I just created another section. So you can go back and forth between these two documents and see, you know, what did the commands over here in LaTeX do to my PDF. And you can see some nice examples of things that are bold, font, quoted text, italics, and then, you know, you can also get involved with some mathematical equations, and I'll just put these down here. Mathematical equations, you should have put in dollar signs, so you could say something like x squared plus the square root of 7 end quote. Okay, and we'll build that again, and then I will display it, and I'll make it nice and big. And you can see that resulted in this really beautifully formatted mathematical expression. And you can do really fancy things here, and you should go on the internet. There's tons of resources out there for how to do fractions and all sorts of complicated things. But this is just to get you started, and so the goal for our first LaTeX endeavor is just to build this PDF. You don't have to make any changes, just build it and show me that you can build this PDF.